Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 9th December 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. What is the name of India's first sign language channel? Answer is Channel 31. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan on 6 December 2024 launched India's first television channel in Indian Sign Language, Channel 31, as part of the PM eVidya initiative. Channel 31 will be run by the National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT, in an effort to ensure the accessibility of news, learning, and entertainment for individuals with hearing disability. This initiative aligns with the National Education Policy 2020. Question number 2. Who has been appointed as the President of Asian Cricket Council, ACC? Answer is Shammi Silva. Shammi Silva, President of Sri Lanka Cricket, is the new President of the Asian Cricket Council, ACC. Shammi Silva succeeding India's Jai Shah, who recently became the chairman of the International Cricket Council, ICC. The Asian Cricket Council is a cricket organization which was established in 1983 to promote and develop the sport of cricket in Asia and currently consists of 30 member associations. Question number 3. Which country will chair the UN Commission on Narcotic Drugs for the first time? Answer is India. India has achieved a significant milestone by being named to chair the 68th session of the UN Commission on Narcotic Drugs, marking the first time the country has been chosen for this prestigious role. Ambassador Shambhu S. Kumaran, India's permanent representative to the United Nations in Vienna, officially assumed the chairmanship of this crucial forum. This is the first time that India has been named to chair this important UN body. Question number 4. Who has been appointed as the head of NASA by US President-elect Donald Trump? Answer is Jared Isaacman. US President-elect Donald Trump has appointed Jared Isaacman, a billionaire private astronaut and close associate of Elon Musk, as the new head of National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. Isaacman, the CEO of payment processing company Shift4 Payments, has previously participated in 2 spaceflights under his Polaris program, using SpaceX vehicles and spacesuits for private orbital missions. Question number 5. Which date has been declared as a Day of Remembrance for Mahatma Gandhi by Nebraska in USA? Answer is 6th December. A bust of Mahatma Gandhi was unveiled at the Nebraska state capitol on 6 December 2024, marking the day as a Day of Remembrance for Mahatma Gandhi. Nebraska Governor Jim Pillen declared this special day to honor Gandhi's principles of non-violence, tolerance, and justice, emphasizing their relevance in today's world. Nebraska is a landlocked state in the Midwestern region of the United States. Question number 6. What is the name of world's oldest known wild bird who laid her egg at the age of 74? Answer is Wisdom. The world's oldest known wild bird, a Laysan albatross named Wisdom, has astonished wildlife enthusiasts yet again. Around 74 years old now, she has laid her 60th egg, her first in 4 years, after returning to Midway Atoll National Wildlife Refuge in the northwestern Hawaiian archipelago. Wisdom, first tagged as an adult in 1956, has returned annually to Midway Atoll since 2006 to nest, often alongside her longtime mate, a keakme. Question number 7. India's first underground shooting range was recently inaugurated in. Answer is New Delhi. Atishi Malana Singh, Chief Minister of Delhi, inaugurated the first underground shooting range for National Cadet Corps (NCC) cadets at the NCC Bhavan in Rohini, New Delhi. The underground shooting range features a 25-meter firing range, 6 firing lanes, and bulletproof ceilings, ensuring maximum safety for trainees. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court? Answer is D. Krishna Kumar. Justice D. Krishna Kumar has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court following the superannuation of the incumbent, Justice Siddharth Mridul. Justice Mridul retires as the Chief Justice of the Manipur High Court on 21 November. Justice Krishna Kumar was appointed Madras High Court Judge on 7 April 2016 and is due to retire on 21 May 2025. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Mizoram? Answer is Khilli Ram Meena. Khilli Ram Meena, a 1993 batch IAS officer of Agmat Cadre, has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Mizoram. He succeeds Renu Sharma, 1988 batch Agmat, who retired on 31 October. Question number 10. Which country is the host of 2024 World Weightlifting Championship? Answer is Bahrain. The 2024 World Weightlifting Championship has been organized in Manama, Bahrain, from 6 to 15 December 2024, showcasing elite weightlifters from across the world. This marks the first time Bahrain hosted the event, having previously hosted the 2022 Asian Weightlifting Championship. More than 500 weightlifters, including world and Olympic champions, participating in the championships. Question number 11. Suneet Mehta has been appointed as the next High Commissioner of India to which country? Answer is Fiji. Suneet Mehta, an Indian Foreign Service officer of 2007 batch, has been appointed as India's next High Commissioner to Fiji. Mr. Amit Narang, a 2001 batch IFS officer currently serving as Ambassador of India to the Sultanate of Oman, has been appointed as the next Ambassador to the Republic of Slovenia. Mr. Ashok Kumar, a 1998 batch IFS officer currently the High Commissioner in Ljuska, will take over as the next Ambassador to the Republic of Belarus. Question number 12. The second edition of Krishnaveni Sangeeta Neerajanam Music Festival has been organized in. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. The second edition of the Krishnaveni Sangeeta Neerajanam Music Festival has been organized at the Tummalapalli Kshetriya Kalakshetra Auditorium in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, from 6 to 8 December 2024. The three-day festival features over 140 artists and 35 programs celebrating Carnatic music and Andhra Pradesh's cultural legacy. The festival showcases GI-tagged handicrafts and handlooms from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Question number 13. The third edition of the Sahitya Akademi's Pustakayan Book Fair has been organized in. Answer is New Delhi. The third edition of Sahitya Akademi's Pustakayan Book Fair has been organized in New Delhi from 6 to 15 December 2024. Inaugurated by writer and former Indian ambassador to the US Navteej Sarna, the book fair will feature literary, cultural programs and have participation of over 40 publishers. The 10-day book fair has organized Hindi Kavi Sammilan, Yuva Sahiti, multilingual poetry reading, mushaira, short story reading and discussions on a range of topics. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.